Wow. I mean, what can I say, people? It's just mind-blowing to me. We have hit our first major milestone here at the garage. We have broken 5,000 subscribers. I am just floored. I'm speechless. All of the predictions said this was going to take months longer and then months longer. And then the last one I think I looked at said that we were predicting around Halloween to hit 5,000 subscribers. I'm floored by all the support of the new subscribers and the old subscribers alike who are out there sharing the information. Obviously, we're onto something good, or else all these people wouldn't be showing up, liking the videos, commenting the videos, sharing the videos, joining the live streams. I started this, at the beginning of the year, basically, with the idea of trying to get some of this information out there to help other people like me that just kind of tuned in their spare time. And it's just exploded. And it's been so rewarding for me as, I guess, you could call me somewhat of a content creator, where I'm trying to help people through this journey of learning how to tune. I never thought anything like this would happen, and I get so excited every single day, every single comment, every single thumbs up that I see out there. The interaction is amazing. All the people saying thank you for helping them figure things out. It just drives me to want to do more and more. But we're not going to rest now. We've made it this far. We're going to carry this head of steam into what's next. And what's next, I think it's a gamble. It's kind of, we're going to see if this works. I don't know that anybody's really done anything like this before, but let me lay it out for you here. And there will be links down in the descriptions and in the corners to all this stuff. But the next generation, the next iteration of the garage, that is being announced alongside the 5,000 subscribers is the Project Gen 4 car crowdfunding event. You heard me right. We are actually going to attempt to crowdfund enough money to buy a Gen 4 car. But here is the goal behind that. We are going to go out, and the highest tiers of this crowdfunding event are going to vote on the car. I'm not even going to be the one that picks it out. They're going to pick what platform that we spend our time tuning on. And it's a Gen 4 car because it overlaps. It's the best of the Gen 3 stuff carried forward and made better, and it is the foundation of the Gen 5 stuff. So we see a lot of crossover from the earlier generation and the later generation into the Gen 4, so we can create content that affects everybody that's out there tuning right now. But what we're going to do, if we can manage to band together and do this, is go out, find a stock car, get a baseline on it, and then we're going to start modifications. And when I say start modifications, there's going to be content for each step of the installation. And then we're going to go out and we're going to tune, and there's going to be content for each step of the tune, and to the point where I'm going to make available logs, tune files for this platform. You guys could go out to the website that I'll put down below here whenever this is all said and done and it's built out, and you will be able to literally download a log file. You can see what I'm doing as we go through and pursue goals of building ridiculous horsepower here in a garage. Not in some shop where we're paying labor, thousands of dollars in labor, but turning wrenches ourselves, tuning ourselves, and hopefully what we can do is get some crossover. We can bring some of these guys into the fold that they want to do this stuff, where they want to be able to install heads and exhaust and things like that, but they've never thought about tuning. Maybe we can convince them, hey, you can do this too. Come join the discussion, join the conversation, help steer and guide this ship. I'm just super excited about this. I don't know if we'll be able to hit the goal. It's pretty modest. We're shooting for 30 grand. That should get us a decent platform, bone stock car, no matter what we choose, be it a Pontiac platform, a C6 Corvette, a Generation 5 Camaro, a CTSV, something like that. We should be able to find a car that fits our goals, and then any additional funds that might be left over will, of course, go to buy aftermarket parts for the car and to pay for things like dyno sessions and stuff like that. Any shortage that we may have, I will make up out of my own pocket in order to make this a reality. And so because of that, there will be a link down to the Indiegogo. You can also hit it by going to the official website, which is going to be should be live as of the posting of this video. Is www.pg4car.com. PG4, the number 4, car.com. Project Generation 4 Car is here. There's multiple tiers. Every single tier gets recognition on the pg4car.com website. Every single tier gets a handwritten thank you from me. Every single tier gets some level of merchandise, starting at the lowest level of tier and building up. So every amount that you donate gets you more merchandise. Decals, koozies, shirts, hats, and then the higher level tiers, the top 3 level tiers get voting rights. They get to vote on the car platform, the first 6 modifications that we do it. And on top of it, everybody that supports this project will get 2 weeks early access to all videos for the first year around Project Gen 4 Car. So I'm super excited. I hope that you take the time to at least go check it out. I know it's a big ask on there, but hopefully if you found any of this information on the channel useful and it saved you money in another way by not having to pay for $400 books or $2,000 classes, if you would just for a brief second think about chipping into this project. It's going to go on for 2 months from the day that this video is posted. We have a 2-month window to hit our goal, and you know what? I think that we're going to do it. I'm not even going to say I'm going to think that we're going to do it. We're going to do it. We are going to create some of the best tuning content, not some of the best. We are going to create the best tuning content, modification and tuning content on YouTube. We are going to dive in so granular where you can either watch very, very, in-depth, step-by-step, and we'll even do live product installation, modification installation videos, things like that. Or, we'll have overview videos for those guys that just want to be able to jump in 10, 15 minutes and see where the project is at along the way. I want to make this one of the most interesting performance modifications and tuning series out there. And I foresee at least 2 years worth of content from this alone. So this is your opportunity to help the garage grow. We'll probably do this even if we don't get the funding. This is an all or nothing funding. If we don't hit the goal, nobody gets charged. That's the way it works out in this situation. But if we don't hit the goal, it'll probably take at least a year before we can do something like this just from the earnings at the garage itself. You don't really make much money on YouTube. I still want to deliver top tier quality content for you guys. And so, I thought I'm just going to ask, hey, if you guys can spare $1, by all means, jump over, check out the links. And once again, just from the bottom of my heart, thank you. I never thought that this would be possible. I'm loving every second of it. I'm loving all the interactions. I'm loving the interaction from you guys, coming in, as I said, commenting, showing up for the live shows. I mean, I'm kind of living a dream right now where performance cars have always been one of my favorite things and a very close, important hobby to me, and being able to share this knowledge with all of you guys. I mean, I appreciate the opportunity, and you guys are the garage. As I always said, you guys who are out there subscribing, liking the content, you are the garage. I'm just here trying to get all the information together and present it in a way that helps people out, so it's not black magic. It's not voodoo. It's not some guarded secret that only a couple people know about that want to charge out the ass for. This is something that we should all, as car people, be able to do and enjoy. And I appreciate the opportunity to go even further in depth moving forward. So that being said, once again, I'm rambling at this point in time because I'm so blown away by everybody's support and generosity. But remember, ABT. Always be tuning, and thank you as always for stopping by the garage.